this is nice. This gonna make all the difference.
Bro, you are fucking crazy.
Bitch, pull up, AP rich, pull up, too much air, pull up, take the pic, swap the day, pull up, plays on plays, pull up, J's on J's, pull up, bag full of haze, pull up, in the back with your beat, pull up, in the drop type beans.
Finally, after a year, I finally got these headlights on. Well, I finally got these headlights out the box. These are the dual headlights off of Acura TLX, and I'm about to put them on my Acura RSX. Yeah, these are pretty baller. I ain't gonna lie, I spent a decent amount of money for them, so they better do what they're supposed to do, which is light up the road and be super flashy. But let me know which style you guys are preferring. You guys like the OEM style with the Sharingans in there, or the jewels? But no talking, let's start putting these headlights on. It's not really a walkthrough, but with every car, you know, you gotta take the bumper off, so that's what we're gonna start with. And for this one, it's super easy to take off. Just slides right off. Here's a direct comparison. You have the OEM lights, or OEM retrofitted lights with the 3 housings, and then you have the jewels with the 5 housings. Well, one of them works. While I'm doing this, hello? Yeah, while I'm doing this, y'all go ahead and hit subscribe, because I'm so close to 1,000, and I literally can't do it without y'all, because y'all are what's getting me there. Literally. And hit like, because that also helps me out. It helps me grow as a YouTuber, and I'd hope that y'all want me to grow as a YouTuber.
Please, God, help me. Help me get this shit done. Got it coming up.
I'm gonna show you guys how I did this, and I'm gonna do a pretty descriptive way, because I looked up on YouTube and there's no DIYs on how to do this and whatnot, and I've gone through a lot of trials and errors for this. So you have your passenger headlight, right? Passenger headlight. You have 2 wires coming from this headlight. You have one right here, and you have one right here. So I'll start with the easy one. This one, this only plugs into one thing. This right here, you can't fuck it up. Hopefully yours does not look as bad as mine. Make sure that this top side matches this top side right there. So literally go in like that. All right, this, your second connector for this, you'll have, if you want all 5 beams on, you'll have to hot wire this in. So this is your high beam connector. This is also your high beam connector. Red to red, black to the one with the blue on it. Hopefully yours has a blue. If it doesn't, then you can figure it out. This is the white wire on the second wire that's connected to your headlight. This is your white wire, which connects to your turn signal. Your turn signal wire is this. You don't have to cut it. I cut mine because I didn't know what I was doing. What you want to do is you bring your white wire and wrap it around here, and then that's it. That's all it is. But leave the bulb in. Your signals will not work if the bulb is not in. Now for the rest of the passenger side headlight, which the white wire is connected to, you have 2 more connectors. All right, this one connects into the module, which I will go over in a second. So this clearly connects into the only thing that it can connect into, which is this, which is attached to the module. This also connects, the only thing that it can connect into, which is the module. So it's literally like this. All right, now that's it. That's literally it for the passenger side. With that being done, your headlights will turn on. All 5 jewels will turn on, and you're valid. You're good. Now you have one white wire. This is the driver's side wire that needs to go over here. And again, you don't have to cut it. I just didn't know what the fuck I was doing. All right, leave the bulb in. But yeah, this white wire from the module, white wire, boom, right there. All three need to be connected. Okay. All right, driver headlight. You have your little connector thing here. Connects into the module. Okay, this connects into the module. You have your main headlight harness, which connects to the only thing it can plug into. It looks like that. It literally only plugs into this. Okay, you have your high beams, red to red, black to the one that does not have a solid red wire. So in that case, all right, I'm gonna take a gamble. The blue wire is the ground, and the reason I say that is because there's only a blue wire on the passenger side, and the red wire is only red. So that makes me think that this yellow is the power wire, and yellow reminds me of like Super Saiyan, which is also powerful. So that's gotta be power. That's how you get all 5 beams on the driver's side as well. And if you have any questions, go ahead and hit my DM. I'll answer everything to my best of ability. Man, I literally fried the whole fucking orange wire to this connector, so I had to rig it up a little bit with hella electrical tape. I put a rag over here. I covered every single thing. I'm making sure this shit does not happen again. Yeah, did the whole bottom end with electrical tape. I'm not doing this again. I guess I had an exposed wire at the bottom or something like that. I put the headlight in and it started smoking, and everything just got fucked up. So rigged it back up and it's fucking like 9 o'clock at night. You know what? It's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. It's pretty bright, I guess. It's very sharp. It's aligned very well. I do have all 5 of them on, so I'm running around with high beams and low beams on at the same time. But looks good. Looks baller. Like, holy shit. Look at that. All right, this is what the car would look like for GAT. That looks. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. It looks so different with these headlights in. It doesn't look like the same car anymore. I think, you know what? This type of headlight does not fit the era of this car. And that's my only problem. Like the OEM headlights I had were perfect. They're perfectly designed for the car. Whoever designed them did an amazing job. Wow. All right, that looks a lot better. That looks like I can actually see. Here is with fog lights, here is without. It definitely does make a difference. From the front, I don't know, I like the white. White looks classy, I guess. Looks kind of boring, but it's bright and it's gonna help me see. I have the greens and I have the purple fog lights still, but can't see shit with them. Let's get a in-car view. What does it look like? Oh, it's not bad. What's it look like without fog lights? All right, and without headlight? Yeah, it's not bad. That's tough. Well. All right, we are finally done with the car. Finally got the headlights on, finally got everything we need to get on. It's now in the car. Check it out. Jewels are now on. And let me show you a little something. This is the app to control the headlights. bro. They do a bunch of cool stuff. There we go. Look at that shit. Tell me that shit's not badass. Alright, Davey, you spazzed. And they do a bunch of things. Like, there's this one. There's this one. Oh, this one might not work. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but yeah, they got all these type of settings on here. Bunch of them. But yeah, let me know what you think. I'm gonna get some B-roll real quick.
I'm too lean. I got an AK, big ass beat. You get hit, you know that I'm pushing up. You know that I'm booted up. I shot it, be booted up, right in the tanker truck. These bitches don't give a fuck. They fucking the Cardi. My diamond like flashlight. I'm showing my ass right. I turn to the bag, I smoke out the pack right. I'm taking that act right. My new bitch got cat eyes. I just be coolin' right here in the city. I bust on the face and they got on her titty.
Alright, and that's wraps. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Look, we're on the way to 1,000 subscribers. I can't do it without y'all. So if y'all like the headlights, hit subscribe. If y'all like the headlights, hit like. If y'all like the car, then subscribe. But I'll see y'all again at Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Alright, bye.
I shot it, be booted up, right in the tanker truck. These bitches don't give a fuck. They fucking the Cardi, they fucking the Cardi, they fucking the Cardi.